We found a lot of bees drinking water in a bowl we had in the backyard. So we decided to help them out and put in a life preserver. Honeybees drink water for several critical reasons that are vital to their survival and the overall functioning of the hive. Water plays multiple roles within the bee colony, making it an essential resource that bees actively seek out and collect. One of the primary reasons honeybees need water is for thermoregulation within the hive. During hot weather, the temperature inside the hive can rise significantly. To prevent overheating, bees gather water and bring it back to the hive, where they distribute it on the honeycomb or other surfaces. Then they fan their wings vigorously, creating airflow that causes the water to evaporate. This evaporative cooling process helps lower the hive's internal temperature, ensuring that the delicate wax structures, including the combs and the brood, which are developing bees, are kept at an optimal temperature. This is crucial because extreme temperatures can damage the brood or cause the wax to melt, leading to structural issues within the hive. In addition to cooling, water is essential for brood rearing. Worker bees mix water with honey and pollen to create a nutritious food called bee bread, which is fed to the larvae. The water helps dilute the honey, making it easier for the larvae to digest. This mixture is also rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals necessary for the growth and development of young bees. Without sufficient water, the ability of worker bees to feed the brood adequately would be compromised, leading to poor colony health and reduced population growth. Water also plays a role in the metabolism and digestion of adult bees. Just like in humans, water is necessary for bees to process their food and maintain proper bodily functions. When bees consume nectar or honey, they need water to help digest these sugary substances and convert them into usable energy. Water is also required to maintain hydration levels, which is especially important for bees as they carry out their various duties, from foraging to hive maintenance. Another interesting aspect of honeybee water collection is their preference for certain types of water. Bees are often attracted to water sources that contain minerals or have a slight saltiness. This is because minerals such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium are important for bee health. These elements can be found in natural water sources like streams, ponds, or even soil-laden puddles. Bees may choose these sources over pure distilled water because of the additional nutrients they provide. Furthermore, water is used by bees to dilute crystallized honey. Over time, honey can crystallize and become too thick for bees to consume or use. When this happens, bees add water to the honey, reliquefying it and making it easier to eat or store. This process ensures that honey remains a viable food source, especially during times when nectar is scarce, such as in winter or during droughts. It's worth noting that bees are very efficient in their water collection process. Foragers are tasked with finding water sources and bringing it back to the hive. These bees communicate the location of water sources to other foragers through a dance known as the waggle dance, which is also used to indicate the location of nectar and pollen. The ability to effectively locate and share water sources is crucial for the hive's survival, especially in dry environments where water may be limited. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.